one of the things we love to talk to people about is their position and their sleeping, right? So a lot of things that cause sleep related issues is snoring and then acid reflux issues. One of the best things you can add to a mattress is an adjustable base. It's basically you can raise your feet up slightly and raise your head up and kind of, in a sense, change the plumbing, change how you breathe. It'll affect how you snore, therefore, helping maybe you sleep better, but definitely your partner sleep better. And then even acid reflux, because you're simply kind of changing the gravitational tone of how you lay. So an adjustable base is a radical, really fun way to kind of change how you'll sleep.